Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I have came up with a job notification. This time the notification is from State Bank of India for the post of probationary officers. There are huge number of vacancies in this post. There are 2056 posts they have. Coming to eligible criteria, you need to have an age of minimum 21 years and up to a maximum of 30 years, and relaxations are applicable, and you can check it in notifications. Regarding the educational qualification, you need to have a graduation in any discipline from a recognized university, and up to the fees for general, EWS and OBC you need to pay 750. For SC, ST and PW handicap, physically handicapped, there are no fees, and you need to pay the fees only through online. There are 2056 vacancies as I mentioned. Here are the list as per the caste wise. You can see for general there are 810 regular, and OBC 540 regular and 20 backlogs. For SC they are regular 300 and backlogs 24. For ST 150 regular and 12 backlogs. For EWS there are 200 regular post. You can apply. Coming to the application, it has been under process the applications, and the last date for applying is, and for payment they are 25/10/2021. Your call letter for prelims will be released on first or second week of November, and the exam will be on November or December, and declaration of the prelims examination will be on December. And you can check everything in the notification. If you have any doubts in this, I have provided the link in the description. You can go through it and you can study clearly the notification that which you want to know. And coming to the main examination, main examination will be on December, and for the call letter will be provided on second or third week of the December, and the results of the main examination will be on January 2022. And this is a final phase. You have final phase, you will get a call letter on first or second week of February, and in the final stage you will have an interview or a group exercise on second or third week of the Feb 2020. Declaration will be, final result will be on Feb or March 2022. For SC, ST, religious minority communities, training will be provided. For that you have to register, and you can download the call letter for training on first week of November, and examination will conduct on second week of November. Guys, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.